master these all things, then you can basically easily can speak on the YouTube as well. This is a very easy part, but along with that you do have a solid structure of grammar and reading, listening. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I've been uploading multiple videos while laptop, and so on the cue card, basically if I talk about that, there is multiple fillers and hesitation towards speaking on the cue card. So I took some sort of decision that I'm working on myself behind on camera, because that is how I'm more focused, because while recording myself, that is very difficult for me to work on my studies, because that is actually matters. And if I talk about on YouTube, that is very difficult for me to basically focus on my practices, because that time I am explaining to some other person, but that doesn't matter a lot to me, because if I have a solid basically focus, so I can basically can easily work on my thing, which is very important for me, as I'm speaking on English language, so that I prioritize myself more. And so for that I'm trying to basically practice apart from uploading videos, just uh, doing some practical thing is that is why I've come on YouTube. Along with that, I just want to do some sort of things which is along with that helpful, such as reading, writing and listening. These all things are related, so for that I want to give more times on that as well, because after focusing on that, I can basically get some sort of more result in speaking in cue cards, because the from that part I am getting some sort of words vocabulary, which is very important for speaking in front of you too. So that actually a lot helpful for me. Along with that, I just nowadays I just like uploading video without even reading books and doing some sort of things which is related to speaking English. But that is how that is why basically I made mistakes and not focusing on majorly on like things which is very helpful for gaining vocabulary, grammaticals error, which frequently lots of people do. Because once you have mastered these all things, then you can basically easily can speak on the YouTube as well. This is a very easy part, but along with that you do have a solid structure of grammar and reading, listening, right? So these all I expect you need to uh, figure it out, and then after that is very easy on YouTube basically to get some sort of attention. So yeah, my major focus from upcoming from day today onwards is focusing on other aspects. So you also need to do that, like reading at least 1 hour a day. That is very most important part, because that is how you have a solid vocabularies and solid structure of how people speak, and phrases such as lots of people speak, and like idioms, these all things very easily you can speak. So and if you are learning vocabulary, so for that you need to use vocabulary in day to day basis, such as if you learn new word instead, so you need to use it a lot of sentences. Like I try to basically watch sports instead of scrolling in social media. So this is how you need to build sentences, and so that is how you need to actually work on. That is why you can able to remember a lot of words which you have learned newly. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you are understanding what does what matters and what it requires to work, right? The right mindset and right attitude towards your goals will actually lead you to become that. That is what I feel, and I'm working on that, right? Bye bye, have a good day.